Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered exception processing message 0xc0000005, then watch this video for the fix. Now the first thing we need to do is disable the third party security software. So if you're having third party software like Norton or Kaspersky, uh, McAfee, then you need to uninstall it. You will right click on the start button, go to settings, and we will go to apps, go to installed apps, and we will look for those third party antivirus or anti malware software, and we will click on these three buttons and click on uninstall and restart the computer. And this message should not show again, but if it does, then we need to do two things. The first thing is we need to run a SFC scan. So we will go to the command prompt, right click on it, and click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow, press enter, wait for the scan to finish, and then we will again type in another command which will re-register all the DLL files, and that command is there. This is the command. It will be posted in the description of this video. So copy this command from the description of the video, and then we will paste it here in the command prompt and press enter. It will re-register all the DLL files and then restart your computer, and it's this error should no longer be showing. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.